I would also like to show you how to edit files that are a bit larger and how to create a workspace for yourself to only see what you need in larger documents. So to do that, I will open a new file. We have here a requirements document, also a test one for a coffee machine that is not very large, but a bit larger than what I created, and I think it will serve our purpose just well. This one also has a few documents inside it, some scopes, use cases, and yeah, I think I would like to work on this document. And as you can see, now that I've opened a new project, you can see that you don't have to close your initial project that you worked on. You can definitely open multiple ones, and ReqEdit will apply this small colored circle to all the documents relating to one project, so it's easier to know these documents belong to that and that, so you don't get confused between them. Now that we are in this document, I think I would like to edit all the requirements with a comment. And to do that, of course, I could scroll through if I want to find them. Say, here we have a requirement. Let's say this is a comment, and yeah, I have edited the first one. Okay, let's edit another one. Yeah, this is not very effective. I think I could do this better. Let's add a filter, because I don't want to see all the headings and all the comments, infos and everything. Add a heading, where a filter, where I'll add a new criteria for this column, object type. I want it to be requirement, yes, so it should equal requirement, it's there. Okay, and now we have in our grid only requirements. That's nice, but what I can see, we also have some non-functional requirements. I don't want to edit those. Yeah, I only want to edit definitely only the functional requirements. So I think I will go to my filter and add a new criteria for a requirement type equals functional, correct, and say OK. And now I can only see my functional requirements, and yeah, now I can start editing. It's easier, I don't get confused with anything else. And paste one again. But yeah, in my case I have 10-15 requirements. It's, yeah, it would be okay to copy paste maybe, but still not very effective for a document that might have hundreds or thousands of requirements. So to help you with that, we have created a very nice function called mass update. And if you click it, it will open a small pop-up, and it will be contextual to what the column holds. In my case, it's a text, so it opened a text box. If I would have something like a list, it would have opened a drop-down with the list entries. And then you can just apply your changes here and say update. And ReqEdit updates all the visible rows with the value that you have entered. And this makes it a lot easier to edit multiple rows, let's say. And now that I have this view, I think I like it. I don't want always to do this search all the time, to apply filters, apply everything. And I'm also not interested in seeing all these other columns that I don't want to work with. So to do that, you can just right click on a column header and say hide, and you can hide the columns. Now I've hidden everything but what I'm interested in, and I really like how it looks. I think I really don't like how they are sorted, so I can start sorting them again. Yeah, starting with F9 is definitely a lot better. And this is definitely the workspace that I am interested in, and I want this to be easily accessible, so I don't have to make all the changes every time I open my document. And to do that, we can create a new view. To do that, you just have to make, like I've done here, my settings, and then say create a new view. And a new pop-up says I only have to give the view name, and click OK, and the view has been saved with all my filters, all my hidden columns, and even my sorts are saved. And this holds even if after you close the document and even ReqEdit. So now if I say close all, everything is closed. I will even close ReqEdit, open it again, and open our file that we just created. Now this is the file that we already created, so we were working on this one. Again, by default, we have all attributes selected, and I'm not in the workspace that I liked, but I can just go to Views, select Webinar, and we have here the desired workspace. Again, even the sort is applied, no columns. I can start working on it.